Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. And it's also day number 9 of my 9 days of giveaways. So today is the last day of my giveaways, but I'm sure I'm going to be doing many more giveaways on my YouTube channel here in the future. I love doing these giveaways, and I have here an example of what I am giving away. I have 9 of these big beauty boxes that I've put together of products that I am giving away. And today I am also trying out another product that I am going to be giving away because I am so grateful to Wander Beauty for sending me a couple of their double date eyeshadow duos. So I'm going to be testing one of these out today and giving away the other. So to enter the giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to me here on YouTube, follow me on Instagram at The Life of Christina, and leave a comment on this video with a way that I can contact you. And so now the giveaway is going to be open for 1 week from the day that this video gets posted, the day that this video goes live. And now let's go ahead and get into today's product because it looks awesome and very unique. So I did already go ahead and open the shades Wink and Bay to look at it. The other one is more of these brown tan shades that you can see. So I'm not going to open this one. I want it to stay sealed for the giveaway. But these retail for $26. They're cruelty free, and I just love this packaging, the stacked type of packaging with the pink. Oh, so pretty. And so what it comes with is a cream primer, and look at the little mirror on it as well. That's so cool. And then a shimmery topper, which, oh my gosh, this looks beautiful. Let's start out with some swatches. Oh, this I think is going to look so intense. Oh my gosh, so sparkly and beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's like ultraviolet holographic pink purple sparkle. Oh, it's like giving me fairy princess vibes, which I love. And then this seems so cool. A cream primer eyeshadow. I don't know why I've never heard of that before, but that seems genius. To have your base eyeshadow shade also be a primer makes so much sense. So let's give this one a swatch. Oh my gosh, that's more pigment than I was expecting. Ooh, that is so pretty. Wow. So here are those swatches, and I'm so excited to see this combo together because they really do look so pretty together. And for the fun of it, I'm going to test this out with and without an eyeshadow primer. Even though the base cream shade is supposed to be a primer, I'm just curious if there's going to be any difference. So I'm just going to apply this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion all over one of my eyes. It also seems like this base shade, it's a primer, it's an eyeshadow, and it's like a glitter glue too, because the shimmery shade is more of like, I mean, it's not like a completely loose shimmer, but it does come off when I touch it. And the cream shade has a little bit of stick to it, so that's really impressive. That's one thing that I love about Wander Beauty is that their products are very multitasking and easy to apply on the go. So like this, I'm just going to apply it with my finger, both shades probably. And you can, of course, use a brush, but for cream products, I like to just use my finger. So first on the eye with the primer. Okay, wow, look at that. That is actually going on like fully opaque, but then it's also like blendable and diffusable. Like I can diffuse it too. So I'm gonna actually blend it up into the crease in more of a diffused way. Wow. A little messy. Let's just clean that up a bit. From using my finger, it got a little messy, but wow. I didn't expect to be able to get this range in the color, that I can even like work it into the crease there in more of a diffused way. I'm gonna just pick up a little bit more and see if I can build it up to a bit more opaque on the lid. And wow, yes I can. Such a pretty shade. It can become that more like plum burgundy when it's diffused, or like a full-on intense beautiful purple when built up. And it looks smooth and even on the eye. Wow, I really like this. Let's see how it is on the eye without the primer. Wow, yeah, it does not seem to be any different with and without the primer. Still goes on with that really nice pigment that's blendable, diffusing it up to the crease here. And it's super quick and easy to apply. Wow. Just gonna pick up a little bit more and build it up on the lid. I feel like if I just kind of tap, that works so nicely to get it to be a little bit more pigmented and opaque. I need to clean up where I got a little messy with my finger, but wow. So quick and easy, and that looks so good. The thing that makes me a little nervous with cream shades is if there's going to be any creasing, but so far no creasing, but I have a lot of lines in my eyelids, so I feel like cream shades do tend to really crease on me after a little bit, but we'll keep an eye on that. In the meantime, I am so excited to add the shimmer shade, and I'm going to pick this up on my finger as well, and I'm going to just focus this into the center of the lid, and oh my gosh, this is such a beautiful, intense, bright shimmer that really does look so perfect with this purple base, because the way the light catches this shimmer, it gives that holographic purple reflection. Oh, like I'm really tempted to apply this all over the lid, which you definitely could do, but I think just so we can see the difference, I'm gonna leave it just in the center, which that also looks awesome. It really does add so much dimension, and it complements the look just perfectly. And it's also so easy to apply, and I can see how it really is sticking so well onto that other base cream shade, because it goes on first, like it sticks down, and then I'm able to blend and smooth it out for this amazing finished effect. I love my eyeshadow look right now, and I did that with just the two colors quickly and easily, all completely with my fingers too. Wow, that is beautiful. And I have green eyes, and purple eyeshadow is supposed to enhance green eyes, and I feel like it really is so flattering, and it complements my eye color and my eye shape. Like, I'm really blown away by how much I love this. The formulas, the colors, just the application of it, the look of it. I love this. And to my lucky giveaway winner, I hope that you will love this as well. I'm so glad that the last day of my giveaways is ending on such a high note with this fantastic product that I'm so excited to be able to give away. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video. And you know what, I did forget to check if there's creasing, so let's do another quick check. Yeah, no creasing. That is awesome.